We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of the IFQ phone stand with Bluetooth speaker, a product that has quickly become a favorite among tech enthusiasts and practical gift seekers alike. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The IFQ phone stand with Bluetooth speaker is marketed as a versatile, all-in-one gadget that combines a stable phone or tablet holder with a portable Bluetooth speaker. This dual functionality is at the core of its appeal. The stand is designed to securely hold a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Android phones, iPads, tablets, and even e-readers like the Kindle, supporting devices from 4 to 13 inches in size. The inclusion of anti-slip silicone pads on both the back and the base of the stand ensures that devices remain protected from scratches and accidental slips, a feature that many users have praised for providing peace of mind during everyday use. The Bluetooth speaker function is powered by BT5, 3 technology, which allows for quick and stable pairing with most modern smartphones and tablets. Users have consistently reported that the speaker delivers impressive sound quality, with enhanced bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, all without noticeable distortion, even at higher volumes. This makes it suitable for a variety of uses, from watching videos and making video calls to listening to music or podcasts while cooking, working, or relaxing. The battery life is another standout feature, with many reviewers noting that a quick charge provides hours of continuous playback, making it convenient for travel or extended use away from power sources. One of the most frequently mentioned advantages of this product is its portability. The stand folds down compactly, resembling a small book, and weighs only 10.6 ounces. Its foldable and adjustable design allows the height to be extended by nearly 2 inches, and the angle can be adjusted from 0 to 235 degrees. Additionally, part of the stand supports full 360-degree rotation, offering a high degree of flexibility for positioning your device exactly as needed. This makes it ideal for use on desks, kitchen counters, airplanes, or even bath trays, as several reviewers have noted. The compact size allows it to fit easily in a purse or backpack, further enhancing its appeal for people on the go. The practical design extends to hands-free use, which is especially appreciated for video calls, FaceTime sessions, or watching shows while multitasking. Many users have highlighted how this feature has made their daily routines more convenient, whether they are working from home, cooking, or simply relaxing. The ability to answer calls and control music playback without handling the phone directly adds to the overall utility of the product. In terms of build quality, the stand is described as sturdy and reliable, capable of supporting the weight of larger tablets without tipping over. The non-slip pads provide additional stability, ensuring that devices remain securely in place during use. However, some users have noted that while the stand generally holds phones and tablets well, there can be occasional issues with securing certain devices, particularly if they are in bulky cases or positioned at extreme angles. This is a minor inconvenience for most, but it is worth considering if you frequently use your device with a heavy-duty case. The speaker's sound quality is a recurring highlight in user feedback. Many reviewers express surprise at the robust audio output, especially given the compact size of the device. The bass response is described as unexpectedly strong, and the overall clarity of sound makes it suitable for a wide range of audio content. Pairing the speaker via Bluetooth is reported to be straightforward, with minimal lag or connectivity issues. The speaker also maintains a stable connection over typical indoor distances, which is important for uninterrupted playback. Battery performance is another area where the IFQ stand excels. Users report that the battery charges quickly and lasts for several hours on a single charge, making it reliable for travel, outdoor use, or situations where access to power outlets is limited. The inclusion of a lithium-ion battery, which is both rechargeable and included in the package, adds to the convenience factor. Gift giving is a major theme in customer reviews. The product is frequently purchased as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, and it is especially popular among those looking for unique gifts for people who seem to have everything. The versatility and practicality of the stand make it suitable for a wide range of recipients, including dads, moms, students, travelers, and tech enthusiasts. Reviewers appreciate that it is a thoughtful and functional gift that is likely to be used regularly, rather than being set aside or forgotten. Despite its many strengths, the IFQ phone stand with Bluetooth speaker is not without its drawbacks. The most commonly cited issue is the occasional difficulty in securely holding certain devices, particularly if they are unusually shaped or encased in thick protective covers. Some users have to adjust the positioning of their device to ensure a stable fit, which can be a minor annoyance, especially when multitasking. However, this issue does not appear to be widespread, and most users find the stand to be sufficiently secure for everyday use. Another potential limitation is the size of the speaker, which, while delivering impressive sound for its dimensions, may not satisfy audiophiles or those seeking a full-room audio experience. The speaker is best suited for personal use or small group listening, such as watching videos at a desk, listening to music in the kitchen, or enjoying audio content in a dorm room. For larger gatherings or outdoor parties, a dedicated portable speaker with higher output may be more appropriate. The product's design is also focused on portability and convenience, which means that it may not offer the same level of customization or adjustability as some high-end single-purpose stands or speakers. For example, while the stand offers a wide range of angles and heights, it may not be as rigid or finely adjustable as professional-grade tablet stands used in studio or office environments. Similarly, the speaker's controls are designed for simplicity, prioritizing ease of use over advanced features such as equalizer settings or multi-device pairing. From a technical perspective, the IFQ phone stand with Bluetooth speaker is well engineered for its intended use case. The integration of Bluetooth 5.3 ensures compatibility with the latest smartphones and tablets, and the device's compact dimensions make it easy to carry and store. The package dimensions are 6.26 by 3.62 by 2.64 inches, and the item weighs just over 10 ounces, making it one of the more portable options in its category. The product is manufactured in China and has been available since February 2023. It has quickly climbed the ranks in the portable Bluetooth speaker category, currently holding a strong position among bestsellers. Overall, user satisfaction is high, with an average customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on hundreds of reviews. The most frequently mentioned positives include the product's portability, sound quality, ease of use, and versatility as both a stand and a speaker. The ability to use the stand in a variety of settings, from the kitchen to the office to the airplane, makes it a valuable addition to any tech collection. The product's appeal as a gift is also significant, with many buyers reporting that recipients were delighted by both the practicality and the novelty of the device. In summary, the IFQ phone stand with Bluetooth speaker is a well-designed, multifunctional gadget that delivers on its promises. It is ideal for anyone seeking a practical solution for hands-free device use combined with quality audio playback. Its compact size, robust sound, and easy adjustability make it suitable for a wide range of users and scenarios. While there are minor drawbacks, such as occasional challenges with device fit and the limitations of a small speaker, these are outweighed by the product's many strengths. If you are looking for a unique gift or a versatile addition to your own tech setup, this stand and speaker combo is a compelling option. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.